Contract analytics is a systematic, software-driven analysis of legal documents to uncover relevant information that can be helpful for a business. This allows end users to uncover powerful metrics using artificial intelligence in response to a particular scenario or a business problem. Headquartered in Virginia, United States, the client is a global pharmaceutical world leader in treating addiction with 20 years of experience with a unique patient-focused approach. The client had recently transitioned to a new CLM platform called as Icertis Contract Intelligence or ICI. They wanted to gain insights on how often the platform is being used, how many contracts are being entered, how many deviations are there from the standard clauses, metrics related to the overall user adoption of ICI. As always, CloudMoyo stepped in. We leveraged Icertis' product, Operational Data Source and Power BI to fetch and visualize data. The client opted for ICI ODS and Power BI to create rich reports with actionable KPIs. The entire intention behind this project was to create reports that can help enhance contract performance. We also integrated applied row-level security for enhanced data security. Here is what we created for our client. Through the engagement with CloudMoyo, the client has successfully adopted to their new CLM platform, and they are able to visualize and have a better sense of security for their data. If you are facing any similar challenges, please feel free to reach out to us at marketing@cloudmoyo.com or feel free to head to our website. Thanks for watching.